A dairy farm. Hello, friends. Today I am going to get some fresh milk from a cow. Where am I going to do that? At a dairy farm. Let's go on the go. The Flying Cow Ranch is a very big and beautiful dairy farm. There are many different kinds of farm animals here. I see goats, sheep, pigs, rabbits, and cows. A farmer milks the cows 2 times every day. To milk a cow, a farmer can use either his hands or a machine. A farmer needs strong hands to squeeze the milk from the cow. Milking a cow with a machine is easier and faster. Cow's milk is not safe for people to drink right from the cow. There is bacteria in the milk. That's why the milk is heated and then cooled before people can drink it. Milk can have different tastes too. If cows eat healthy food like fresh grass, corn, and alfalfa, their milk tastes better. I really enjoyed visiting the dairy farm today. It was great to see a barn full of cows. Feeding the baby sheep was fun. And I even got to milk a cow. That was fun too. Maybe someday you can try it too. Thanks for joining me on The Go.
Key words. Fresh. Fresh. Peter makes fresh coffee every morning. Farm. Farm. Karen lives on a farm. There are many animals there. Farmer. Farmer. The farmer takes care of the animals on the farm. Machine. Machine. A computer is a machine that Phil uses every day. Barn. Barn. The animals on the farm live in a barn. More information. Dairy. Dairy. Milk. Milk. Bacteria. Bacteria. Alfalfa. Alfalfa.